What's up, everyone? Welcome to Double Up with Astro. And today I would like to give you a video on the SMS Phone Leads. And I'm just basically here in the back office and just showing you what type of product packages you can receive. The SMS Phone Leads is basically a program where you can be receiving text messages for your businesses that you decide to promote. And you pretty much can resell these type of products to other people that need SMS marketing. And SMS marketing is basically good is good for to be a part of your arsenal in your business. They say that it's 95% of an open rate with people that uses their text phone, because people be on their text phones all the time. And the first thing they see is a text message. A person will go to that text message more quicker than they would check their emails. Now, email opt-in is usually 15 to 20%, give or take. And that's if you have a good email and a catchy headline and things of that nature. So with that being said, this is a pretty good route for you to take if you want to add this to your arsenal with your business that you're trying to promote. And there's so many ways you could promote this thing. So here you have it. You can get started today with $37, and you can have the $10 upsell in case if you want to get that extra training. But that's optional. That's up to you. But you will receive 100% commissions with this. Then you can get the ringless software for $100, which you get 50% commissions. Then you can get the $39 a month. You can get the SMS Blaster for 50% commissions. So you can sell all these products all together, and you can get a nice, good commission off of that. So these, the back office, and here, you can buy credits, because it does takes credits for you to use certain text messages, and that's just like with any provider, any SMS provider, you're gonna have to purchase SMS credits, so you can be able to receive and send out text message. And you can buy multiple numbers as well, and usually the multiple numbers cost you from about like $3 a number a month. So if you would like to get an extra, if you got multiple businesses that you would like to promote, you can use those for different numbers. And you see here your ringless software, your SMS Blaster. I will cover more about the SMS Blaster in another video. Just giving you a little brief. I don't want to make this video too long for you guys. And right here, you have your SMS, your messages. So whatever messages comes in, you get to see, who texted that number. If you do have your voicemail set up, there, you can go back and listen to the voicemails of whoever sent you. And you can buy mobile leads right here. So also, this is where the training, if you want to have like the fast start bonus, these are videos that can help you get started. Couple tutorials to let you know how to how the SMS phone leads function works, and it's a really good system. I have tried it. It helps me out. Places like you can promote this on Craigslist, any type of classified ad submission site. You want to be able to display your number so people could be able to text, and you can send your own automatic voice. It can have its own, like, it goes by MP3 pretty much per se. And, that's pretty much something that can really help you in your business. And it's mostly helpful for me in my business and pushing it the way I want it. Because now all the time, people are going to check their email. So, having a phone lead system like this, dude, this could definitely help you. So, if you guys would like to get started with me, the link in the description will be right below. You click on that link, and you can get started with $37, and they can get you all set up. Make sure you check out those tutorials. The tutorials pretty much will basically give you a rundown on how it works, and you can start making commissions from there. I used this for about a good few months now, and it had served me some good purpose. So it's very helpful. And if you'd like to get started with me today, go ahead and click that link. I also got other ways you can pretty much make money online. Something that you can hook up to this program and get you started. Something with upfront sales, and I have some different type of marketing training methods that I could show you. And I'm here to help. So once again, welcome up to Double Up with Astro, your boy, and I will see you in the next video. Peace, deuces.